Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so today I want to show you how to make a wig using synthetic. Okay, this is the sample, how it will look. So I've just used one pack, and so I'm gonna use this head here. It has no eyes, but this part is behind. Okay, and I'm gonna use this net here. I have to put it first like that, and then I'll use pins to make it hold there firm until I finish doing the weaving. Okay, so I have to place this one here, and then also here another one, also the front part the same way here, then the other side also the same. All right, yeah. And so I will start here behind, and I'll be using this weave, Fashion Idol. It's called Active Drag. It's Active Drag, and it is from Fashion Idol. Fashion Idol, Fashion Idol. And so I have to begin. I'll be using only one strand until the end, okay? This one is very easy for you. You can do it. It's not complicated. So I'll start by knitting like that. So this one you don't have to worry. It's very simple because it is synthetic, and you don't have to trim. Sorry, you don't have to trim it when you finish. Maybe if you want just to levelize the ends here, but in this matter, it's okay. It's very fine. All right. And even comping is not a problem. You just use your hands to make it fall into form. All right. So that is the process. So I'll be just using one pack for this sample. So you see this one, it looks like that. And so I have to leave 1 inch. I'll be measuring with my finger like this. So I have to leave 1 inch. And so I'll be doing that until the end, okay? Only that part of finishing, where I'm supposed to be finishing, that's where I'll put it closer or close to each other so that I can get that puffy, or it can have volume, okay? I hope you understand the way I'm trying to explain, all right? Where you don't understand, it's okay. You can just ask a question and then I'll get back to you. All right. So the process goes that way. So stay tuned as we continue. And so here I have just to curve it a bit, not just straight, but you have to make it a little bit curvy, right? As I told you, it's very simple. You just follow the procedure and then you're done with it. Okay? Good. I love doing this because I know there's somebody somewhere who needs the tutorial, so it's good to share. All right? And I'm so grateful for those who are watching, those who are commenting, and those who are sharing with their friends also. Thank you so much. I'm really, really humbled. Okay? Thank you so much. And so the process continues. Remember that when you want it to be too much on your head, or you want it to be puffy, you can use two packets of this weave, Active Drag. You can use 2 packets of them so that it can be the way you want, okay? What I'm doing is just a sample so that you can do something next time, all right? So keep watching, and you'll come to learn something, all right? Remember, if there is anything that you want to know or would like to ask, you can just write me a comment, leave me a comment, and then if it is something that I know or I understand, then I'll have to share it with you so that you can know the same thing, okay? Remember, the more you do something, the more you get. the perfection. All right. So if you want to know something, you have to do it several. So here in front you can see I'm still making it to curve, because my cape or my wig is not at the center. I mean from the forehead, not at the center. So I have to make it to slide a little bit sideways. That's why I'm doing this. All right. So this one I have to cut from here like that. So from this part, I'm just gonna go round until I finish. And this is the place where I'm knitting next to each other, so that to get the volume. Okay, so I'm just doing closely to each other, or I'm just weaving closely to each other, so that I can get the volume up here. Right. So I hope you've learned something. Remember, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. The small idea I have, I share with you. So I will still appreciate the more you watch my videos. And if you need to get more videos from me, because I'll be uploading many of them, you can just click that bell, okay, so that to have a reminder or to have updates whenever I upload a new video, okay, so that you won't miss. So it comes to the clips, or we can say the pins. I have to turn the weave that way, then I have to tie it first there. And so this is the front part, and I'll have to put or to attach this clip on my wig. So the procedure is very simple, as you can see. You don't have to panic or to say that I can't do it. It's very simple. And the more you do it, the more you know, and the more you get more ideas, and the more you become more creative. All right? So, thank you so much for watching my channel. Remember that I love you, I care, and I appreciate for everything you're doing. You can remember to leave a like, and remember to keep safe, and keep safe always. More blessings to you from me and my family. I love you all. Thanks for watching. And so there we are. So this is how I look. You can put it leaving a small natural hair in front like that, or if you want, you can pull it to the front like that. It still works. Or if you want, you can just pull it a little bit and put to the center. Yeah, just like here now. You see, it's it sideways, but now if I want to put at the center, I will still do it and it will still look good. So I will put it to the center like this, simple and clear. And now I'm done.